Hey everyone, in honor of Power Rangers Megaforce being adapted from Tensou Sentai Goseiger, probably a perfect time to review this. So here's with Gosei card buckle and with Tensouder. I got this during, I think it's 2 years ago, or whenever the series was airing. I don't watch much Sentai, but I was looking forward to this. Okay, so the Tensouder. Cards go in there. Turn this on real quick.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Okay. Get this up. Cards pop out. Gosei red. I don't know any of these Japanese names, so good thing there's American names right on the back. Snake sword, I believe. Yeah. Gosei great. Gosei dragon. Shark header. Gosei tiger. Very nice cards, by the way. Twister tornado, I believe, or twist tornado, something like that. And the final one was scenic bowgun. I'll put them each in with Tensouder and let me hear the different sounds it makes. Okay, there you have it. That's all the sound effects with the different cards I have. And this is my only Sentai toy, but I do plan on buying some Goseiger stuff, especially with Ranger keys they have, because that should be adapted in 2015. Okay, and we don't know if these would be the actual morphers used in Megaforce. But on some pictures at License Expo they had like a few days ago, when they have seats on display with they had Tensouder and Gosei card buckle on, you know, and it was attached to their belt. So if it's not the Morpher, it'd be. I'm sure it will be the Morpher, but we don't know really. But it will have something to do on the show at least. Okay, this just hooks on to here. There you have it. Okay, do I recommend this? I do. If you can, I'm sure they still sell on certain websites, just like CS Toy Store or any places that sell tokusatsu toys. Or you could wait in case if they are gonna use these as Morphers and Megaforce, but those would be cheaper too. And this costs, I think, around, because I got these separately. It was like I didn't buy the whole buckle set. It comes with a Tensouder and the buckle. So compared to Sentai and Power Rangers, I would probably have the Sentai stuff because there's a lot more detail compared to the Power Rangers side of toys by Bandai America. Bandai America does good stuff, but not as good as they did back in the day with Mighty Morphin and Zeo and stuff like that. Okay, I do recommend this if you can find it anywhere. I'm sure it's on eBay also. So I was gonna do a Golden Power staff, but once this was announced, it's a perfect time to review it. You know. So that's all. Hopefully, like in 2 to 3 weeks, I'll record a Golden Power staff with Gold Ranger sword from Power Rangers Zeo. So okay, that's all. Take care.